Hello again, my name is Cord Sanksteak. I'm a design engineer here at Shelton Manufacturing, and today I'm introducing the SCO5A CO2 incubator with HEPA filtration, a next generation solution designed to maintain optimal growth conditions and with unmatched contamination control. Built for life science researchers, clinical labs, and pharmaceutical professionals, the SCO5A ensures stable temperature, humidity, and CO2 control, creating the perfect environment for cell culture growth, tissue engineering, and in vitro fertilization studies. Now, let's take a look inside the unit. The first thing that you will notice is the heated door coupled with double gasket design and a circulation fan. This provides excellent temperature stability and uniformity for the 3 included shelves with your unit. Featured on the right-hand side is a 1 3/4 inch access port to allow you to pass cables into the unit. Additionally, it is constructed out of corrosion-resistant materials to help ensure the longevity of your product. Now, let's take a look at some of the features on the rear of the unit. First is the main power inlet. Each unit is included with a compatible power cord that must be connected to a properly grounded electrical outlet. For details related to electrical safety, as well as installation instructions, such as clearances, please visit your user manual for more. To the right of the power inlet is a digital USB data logging port. This is in addition to 2 analog data logging ports located here. Last, you have your CO2 supply. This is where you connect your CO2 gas that pumps into the chamber while it's in operation. Last, on the right side of the unit is the CO2 sample port. This is used to calibrate or verify the set point of your CO2 level inside the chamber. Once you've connected your unit to a properly grounded outlet, it's ready to be powered on. There are 2 displays on this unit. The first is the temperature display. Using the up and down arrows, the user is able to set temperature set point as well as calibrate their temperature. Similarly, there's a CO2 display to the right of that. Using the up and down arrows, the user is able to set their CO2 set point as well as calibrate as they see fit. Last, this unit features a mechanical over temperature limiter. This is a safety device to help prevent overheating of your unit while it's in operation. Precision, reliability, and contamination control are critical when selecting the right CO2 incubator for your research. The SCO5A CO2 incubator with HEPA filtration is designed to meet and exceed the most demanding requirements for cell culture, microbiology, pharmaceutical applications, and IVF clinics.